beautiful people, welcome back to my channel once again. In this video I am going to discuss some tools of insert tab. These tools are action and link. If you click on insert tab, you can see the action and link are currently disabled. You can say not activated because we have just a blank slide. We don't have nothing in this slide. We don't have any elements or pictures in this slide. So the action will perform on what? So the theory is you have to have some elements or you have to have some pictures, some objects in your slide to have some action, to perform some actions on your slide. Alright, I have got enough theoretical talking like a boring physics teacher. Let's see the practical. So first of all, I am taking some shapes into my slide. Go to the insert and go to the shapes and choose your shapes. Like I am choosing this shape. I am using different kind of shapes. Alright, these are the shapes. Then click on shape and go to the insert and go to the action. You can see the action and link are currently available. Click on action. This dialog box will pop up. You can hyperlink, you can run a program also, you can run a macro, or you can play sound. So I am showing you one by one. There are two options like mouse over and mouse click. Both are the same. There are same options. Click on hyperlink. You can hyperlink to next slide, previous slide. You can link between slides, first slide, last slide. There are so many options. You can end the slideshow also. Then you can also insert the slide number to have the direction. Currently I have one slide, so I am duplicating the slide, cancelling it. Ctrl D to duplicate. So suppose I have 6 slides. I am moving these shapes. This is the 6th slide, and go to the first slide, select that shape and go to the action, click on hyperlink, and I am clicking this slide. You can see there are 6 slides in this. They are showing me the preview. I am clicking on number 6 and press OK. Then if you hover the cursor on it, you can see the shortcut is showing Ctrl plus click. So I am pressing Ctrl. You can see the mouse cursor is changed. Click on this. You can see this is the 6th slide, and you can also preview in the slideshow. If you click on this, so this is the 6th slide. We can directly move to another slide according to our use. Click on another shape, go to the action button. You can also link a URL, also hyperlink a URL like this. Click on the URL in the drop down menu, and you can insert the URL also. Like I am inserting this URL. Press OK. You can see the shape is now turned into a URL. If you click on this Ctrl plus click, you can see they are going to the browser and going to that link, particular link. Currently I am online, not online, because it disturbs me. So many notifications come when you are online, so that's a messy thing. So this is how you can link an option. You can also link pictures to a hyperlink. I'm inserting this. So this is the picture. I'm resizing it. So click on select the picture and go to the insert tab and go to the action menu. Then hyperlink to a suppose last slide. Okay. If you click on this, open the slideshow. So this is the last slide. You can also have action. You can also put the link directly from last slide. Press OK. You can see it take me to the last slide, because this is the last slide. If you want to go another slide, like click on action, hyperlink to previous slide. Currently I am slide number 6. If you click on this, you can see this is the previous slide number 5, sorry, slide number 5. So this is how you can insert some hyperlink and get an action. You can also link to a URL also directly from here, like you can give the URL into the address bar, press on OK. You can see this is the link here. There are another options in the link. You can also link a Word document or Microsoft Word document or PPT file or any kind of text document or any kind of software. You can link into the PowerPoint presentation. You have to just give the path. You can select manually also. I am selecting manually. Like go to, I have a file, like I want to link that picture. So I am clicking on this, that you can see the link, the path is here. Press on OK and click on slideshow. You can see the picture is turned into a link. If you click on this, yep, this is the picture. So this is how you can work with the action and link. You can link any kind of application or any kind of file into between the shapes or pictures. You can do any kinds of thing with these shapes and pictures. You have to play with it and you have to practice this in home. Alright, I have got that much for today's video. If you have learned something new, please share this video with your friend, because sharing is caring. Yes, your share is my care. So please do this. If you are new to my channel, please watch my other videos, and if you get something interested, subscribe to my channel also. Peace out, guys.